Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to change top and bottom cell margin in Microsoft Publisher. Let's get started. At first, we have to open a Publisher document. Now we want to change the top and bottom cell margin. Select any cell. Then go to the layout menu and click the cell margin drop down menu and go to custom margin. Now we can see here open a box. Now we can see the top margin and bottom. Now we increase it. Then increase the bottom margin. Then click OK. Now we can see we change the top and bottom cell margin this publisher table very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.